In the previous videos, we learned how to build AI teams. But do you know how to build an entire AI company? Today, we are connecting multiple departments using CrewAI Flows. Welcome to Naga Automates. In real enterprise architecture, work doesn't stay in one team. The research team gets the data and passes it to the production team. Today I will show you how to automate that pipeline. Install required libraries. Let's code. We import OS to work with environment variables. We import agent, task and crew from CrewAI to build AI agents, assign tasks and group them into crews. We import base model from Pydantic to define structured data models like memory for our company. We import flow, listen and start from CrewAI.flow to design workflows where departments can start or wait for each other. We import Google Generative AI to connect with Google Gemini AI models. We import load.env to load secret keys stored in our .env file. We call load.env so our program can access environment variables like API keys. We fetch our Gemini API key from the environment variables. We create a Gemini language model object that our agents will use to think and write. Define the state, the company memory. This is like a shared notebook where different departments can store and share their work. Here we keep research notes. Here we keep the final blog article. Build the multi-department flow. We design a company workflow where departments work one after another. We create a researcher agent with a role, goal and backstory. Their job is to find the top 3 AI advancements in 2026. We give the researcher a task to list 3 AI trends in bullet points. We form CrewAI with the researcher and their task. We save CrewAI's output into the company memory. Department 2, the writing team. @listen means this department waits until the research department finishes. We create a writer agent with a role, goal and backstory. The writer agent takes the research notes and turns them into a 2-paragraph viral blog post. We gave the writer a task to write a 2-paragraph blog post using research notes. Now we form Crew B with the writer and their task. We save Crew B's output into the company memory. Now we are going to execute the pull pipeline. This is the main entry point of our program. Here we create the startup pipeline. We run the pipeline which triggers both departments in order. We print the final deliverable from Crew B. Save the file. Let's run it. See the terminal. CrewAI is firing up fetching AI news for 2026. Done. Now Crew B automatically takes over. Reads CrewAI's notes and writes a viral blog post. You just built a fully automated AI media startup. This pipeline architecture is what gets you hired as a senior AI engineer. Subscribe to Naga Automates.